Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at inside bar candlestick payout. First of all, what is inside bar candlestick payout? Inside bar candlestick payout is an indication that the market is going to change its leg or is going to change its direction. What do I mean by that? As you look at the bullish inside bar candlestick, when this is found in your demand zone or your POI in general, you have to wait for the market to show you a full confirmation that yeah, this is an inside back fake out and market is going up. It's this leg here. Let me explain this. In lower time frame, this is a very long pullback. This is a very long this is a very nice move here. Then you see the market consolidating. This is a consolidating market, something like this. Is a move here. And you see the market consolidating here. This is what the market is doing in the second candlestick. Then the third candlestick came up, broke this low, and came back to the zone. What do I mean by this? This is the fake out here in the lower time frame I'm talking about. This is a fake out here. Then you have to buy this trade when the candlestick returns to the zone. This is the full zone. This is the full zone here. Yes. This is the zone. Maybe somewhere from here to here. This is the zone. Then you get the fake out. Now, when the market returns here, you have faked out here, then return back. You have to enter your trade. You have to enter your trade from here because you have already confirmed this is a time on an uptrend, but the market is ready to go up. Understand? The market is ready to respect the POI with this move here. So you have to put your stop loss below the fake out, then enter the trade. This is how to fake trade the bullish inside bar fake out. Let me talk about the bearish inside bar fake out. Go to higher time frame chart. You see this clearly. Okay. The bearish inside bar fake out is almost the same thing. The mother candle first, in lower time frame actually. The mother candle, the consolidation of the inside bar candles, the child inside, and the break of the zone, then return to the zone. This is an indication for buying trade, for selling trade, sorry, in a downtrend, mostly when the market retakes to the resistance zone or to the supply zone. Let me add this. Sorry, not here, not here. The zone here, something like this. Then this is another zone. You have to put your entry here, just like that. Maybe 2 to 1 or 3 to 1. It depends the kind of trade you are entering. This is how to trade an inside bar candlestick. When you see this candle forming in your demand zone, your resistance zone, you wait for the child, then wait for the fake out to happen. Or if this candle put up here without the fake out, assuming this candle did something like this, without the fake out, this a complete inside bar candlestick. Without the fake out, then you have to enter the trade from here. That is the market did something like this. the breakout. Then you have to enter from the breakout to trade. This is how to use the candlestick language or use the candlestick to know what the market is going to do in future. Is actually how to use your candlestick. Let me go to the ray chart to show you what I'm talking about. Like I said before, an inside bar candlestick is really hard to find in the market. So let me see if I can see an inside bar fake out. It's really hard to see. It's very, very hard. I can normally see the inside bar candlestick, but the fake out is really hard to see. It takes patience. It's really, really, really hard. To see an inside bar fake out is very hard in the market. Okay, look at this. You have seen one, and this one is just perfect. Just perfect. You can see here the market showed the range here and the range here and the range here also, yeah. And you can see the break. You can see the freak out here. Then the market continue going up and up and up. That's what I mean by inside bar fake out. This is a very, very good example of it. So you can see the markets came back to tap on this demand zone here, tap on the demand zone, then formed an inside bar fake out, then put up. So we can see here this on a bearish inside bar fake out also. The bearish inside bar fake out. You can see this is a range, and this is the range also here. And the fake out a little bit here, a little bit. You can see the market just then move down. Inside bar is a very powerful tool. It's a very, very powerful tool when seen in the market, but it's rarely seen in the market. It's very, very powerful. Let me look for more inside bar candlestick before I end the video. Mind you, in my next video, I'm going to explain how to enter trade using the candlestick formations I have explained so far. The topics I've covered already, so I will explain how to enter trade with them, how to trade using the strategy of candlestick and also trend and candlestick combined. It's very, very hard. Just get only one again and can move on. Yeah. And this is a very, 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 very fake out. This is a very, very big fake out here. You can see the inside bar. You can see the inside bar, the range here. Also a range here. And the fake out. You see the market From there, came back, moved down. So this is a very, very powerful tool. Just make sure you understand it. And thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, turn on the notification button. And thank you.